would also love to call upon stage Mrs. Pearl Verghese, member of the managing committee. I would love to call upon stage Dr. Vishal Chopra as well. I would love the honor of calling upon stage Ms. Sarah D'Souza, ma'am, Principal, St. Gregorius High School. I request the honorable presence of Ms. Ritu Khosla, Vice Chairperson PTA, and I'll also request Mr. Kedal Mendle, Joint Secretary of PTA, on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, jitne bhi log aap log yahan pe ho, bajaiye zor se taali for all these wonderful people over here. Come on! They are the ones who have put forward this initiative. They are the ones ki 30th year hai, aage jaake 60th year hoga, 300th year hoga, tab bhi ye legacy celebrate hoga over here for Perluminati. I request all of you to please kindly do the honors and get things going for all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the frame we want. Can I expect all of you to clap loudly once again, please? Thank you so much. Thank you. Are you all ready? उसके लिए और जोर से बजाना पड़ेगा हम लोग को ताली. Come on, I love it. Thank you, sir. I love your spirit. Thank you so much, ma'am. I love your spirit. Thank you. Thank you. Sir, I know you're very passionate with work. These are our paparazzis. They are celebrating the wonderful work that you all do. So of course वो चीज़ है. आप लोग बता सकते हो वैसे कि sir, ma'am, look here. कर सकते हो आप लोग वो चीज़. They definitely deserve the attention. Thank you so much. Please give them a big round of applause once again, please, ladies and gentlemen. You know, we have the PTA over here, so it's absolutely necessary that we would also love to do and go ahead with the honorable members of the management. If I can have them on stage, all of them over here, so we can honor them in the best way. The great work that they do. And ladies and gentlemen, like I said, this is an open ground. आप लोग चाहो तो आप लोग आके यहाँ पे फोटो ले सकते हो, किधर भी चाहो लेके फोटो ले सकते हो, because they definitely deserve that respect that they have earned over a period of time. As well, who's our partner associate, please give it up for Dr. Vishal, please, ladies and gentlemen, everybody over here, जितने भी लोग हैं यहाँ पे. Thank you so much, sir, for taking out time and being with us. It's an honor and privilege. Thank you, sir. Love that spirit. Love that spirit. If you to please take your seats. Thank you so much. I'm going to be keeping you glued to the stage right till the very end. We have so many stalls for you all as well. Gift hampers to be distributed. So many things that's going to be keeping you hooked right till the very end. When the DJ comes, आप लोग नाचने के लिए तैयार हो? कितने लोग यहाँ पे नाचने के लिए तैयार हैं? Please raise your hands. Can I have more hands being raised? Because DJ बुलाया ही है इतना खर्चा करके आप लोग के लिए. अगर आप लोग करोगे, enjoy करोगे, that is what it is. That is the vibe that we want to create, right? And over here at Perluminati, before I get going with a lot of other things, मैं चाहता हूँ आप लोग मेरे साथ एक pledge लो. So on that note, can I request all of you to please stand up? To St. Gregorius High School, here's to Perluminati 2024. Kya baat hai, kya talent and metal on many occasions. She has PT and then started a career in front of the camera, I beg your pardon, as a model for ad films. She has done more than 300 hours. When it comes to television, she has been a part of a power pack show like CID, Kasauti Zindagi Ki, Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, and many more. Her latest was Vanshaj for Sony Sub and Sony Live. We have always admired her work on OTT as well. Series like Ashram, The Great Indian Mother, Zakham, Mind the Malhotras, and many more. Ladies and gentlemen, acting and performance has been her passion, and we admire her for all the great work that she has been doing.
थैंक यू सो मच, इल्लुमिनाटी ने मुझे यहाँ बुलाया. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी हियर. आर यू रेडी एवरीवन? नो. Guys, we have a wonderful bass player here, Vinod. Big round of applause for him, everyone. मैं प्रेम दा प्याला पी आया, मैं प्रेम दा प्याला. मैं प्रेम दा प्याला पी आया, मैं प्रेम दा प्याला पी आया. सारी मधुशाला पी आया, एक पल में सदियां जी आया. मैं जी आया, मैं जी आया, मैं प्रेम प्याला पी आया, मैं पी आया. मैं रमता जोगी, मैं रमता जोगी, जोगी जोगी. मैं रमता जोगी, मैं रमता जोगी, जोगी जोगी. मैं रमता जोगी, जोगी रमता जोगी, जोगी रमता जोगी, जोगी रमता जोगी, जोगी 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 जोगी. मैं प्रेम का प्याला पी आया, मैं प्रेम का प्याला पी आया. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन. कुछ डांस मस्ती स्टार्ट करते हैं. आगे आ जाइए एवरीवन. ऑल द इल्लुमिनाटी सारे. We have an amazing drummer, Mr. Sunit. Very pure soul. एक बार जोरदार तालियां everyone for him. एक हो गए हम और तुम, तो उड़ गई नींदें रे. तो चंकी पालवासी में तो गान गान खनके रे. हम्मा 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 ए हम्मा 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 हम्मा. जो पहली बार मिले तुम पे ये दम निकले, तुम पे ये जवानी धीरे धीरे वादम मचले रे. हम्मा 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 ए हम्मा 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 हम्मा. हाइट हाइट लो कट. कैसा ये वरन जन्म मिला तुमको, मन में सोचा था जैसा रूप तेरा आया नजर हमको। सनम गुली गुली ये जरूरी गुली गुली ये बातें करती है यूं, हमें तुमने जब करने लगाया तो खो ही गए हम। हम्मा 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 हम्मा, एक हो गए हम और तू तो उड़ गई नींदे रे, तो छनकी पाए मस्ती में तो गन खन के रे। हम्मा 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 हम्मा। साया सतरंगी रे, मन रंगी रे, कोई नूर है तू क्यों दूर है तू, जब पास है तू एहसास है तू, कोई ख्वाब है परछाई है सतरंगी रे। मन रंगी रे, इस बार बता मुझूर हवा ठहरेगी कहाँ, सतरंगी रे, तू ही तू मन रंगी रे, तू ही तू सतरंगी रे, तू ही तू मन रंगी रे।
Thank you.